Happy 10th birthday, Astrid. Mag-ingat ka dyan palagi. Sana magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming project na magkasama. Stay safe and God bless. See you soon.
Hello, Astrid! Gusto lang kita batiyan ng happy birthday and wish you all the best and enjoy your day and God bless you always.
Hello Astrid, happy birthday. It's me, Kuya Miles. Hope you're doing well. Enjoy my birthday mo at sana soon magkasama tayo sa mga projects. And yun, kita kits, ingat palagi kayo ng family mo and happy birthday.
Hi Astrid, good morning. It's me, your Kuya Jacob. Your Kuya Jacob Pogi. Joke. Yan, happy birthday nga uli. Wish you all the best. Yun, nandito lang kami palagi nila Tita Burns, ako, tsaka si Joaquin. Pag may problema ka ganun, pwede ka mag-open, pwede ka mag-chat. Pag naboboard ka, or pag wala kang ginagawa, ganun, nandito lang kami parati sa